Oh, we're here, we're here. Look at this. This is quite the accident here, Lorenzo. Whoa! All of the baby cars fell out and the trailer detached. What do you think will happen to the black one? Do you think the same thing? Yeah. Let's see. All right, and we'll put RV in there too. Whoa!
Hi.
Hey, everybody. Whoa, we're at the beautiful park today. Whoa, what is that you have in your hands there, Lorenzo?
Purple.
You have a new purple car. Whoa. And who is that?
Wow.
Wow, a new green car. And that's a color changer car. We got all of our cars here today. Daddy's gonna pick a car. I'm gonna pick this Jackson Storm one. You made it up?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Whoa. You want them to go down the ramp? Whoa. Whoa.
Me, Daddy.
I'm gonna put mine down.
Let's
Whoa.
Me.
You. Nice.
No, Daddy.
My turn. Whoa. Where are you going? You're going up here? We're going up more. All right, let's do it. Whoa. What's this?
Two.
We could go in here?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I have more cards.
You want me to hold your cars?
Yes.
Okay, I'll hold your cars. You going up there too?
Yes.
Now, which one are we gonna do?
Wow. This.
You're gonna do this one?
Yeah.
You ready to make them go down the ramp?
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! See this one go. That one landed up. That one landed up.
Chapter.
That one's gonna land up too?
Yeah.
Let's see. It landed up too. You're gonna go down that one? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, where are we off to next?
Wow.
We're going up again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I have my cards.
Hold your cars.
Yeah.
Okay. You go up there and then I'm gonna race them up to you, okay?
Yeah. Up.
I'm gonna race them up. Ready?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Nice. That one made it. Whoa! Hey! You're supposed to hold on to them. There you go. Hold on to it. Oh. Whoa!
No.
He took them out.
Yeah. Oh.
Did he make it?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa! 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 Okay. Now I'm gonna do them down to you, okay? Here it comes. Uh-oh. Oh, I saw that. All right, here you go. Ready?
This is a piece of what?
Yeah, a piece of it came off. There you go. Oh, right through your legs. Up here, Lorenzo.
Yeah.
Is that Jackson Storm's truck? Is anybody in the back?
No.
Nobody's in the back. All right, is he going down the ramp? Whoa! Whoa! He detached. Look at that. He detached from his trailer.
Yes, yes.
Let's pull this out here. Let's see how many trucks we could get on that trailer.
Yeah.
Look, I got another truck right here too.
Yeah.
Let's see. We could try to fit some cars in there. See how many cars we could fit in there, right?
Yeah. A shot.
That's one. Oh, I'm gonna put a couple more guys in here. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna get Mater.
I'm a two.
I'm gonna put them in there. Oh, you wanna put him in there too? Go ahead, put them in there.
Da.
Okay, we'll close it up. Boom, nice.
Boom. Me, that too.
You got a truck too? Who's in your truck?
Abby.
RV? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, where are we going? Are we going on a road trip? Drive. Uh-oh! I hit a rock! Lorenzo, we gotta go get the cop cars. Uh-oh, everybody looks like they fell over. Lorenzo, let's go get the cop car and go get Tow Mater, the tow truck. Where's Tow Mater?
Da.
Oh, there's Tow Mater. I found Tow Mater. Do we have another Tow Mater? We might need another one. There, we could use that blue one. And where's the cop car? Do we have the cop? Oh, we have one cop car. Where's the other cop car? Here's Sheriff. Okay, let's drive over there. Oh, we're here, we're here. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is quite the accident here, Lorenzo. How are we gonna flip these guys over? It looks like Jackson Storm ended up being okay. RV's in the back. RV's coming out to see what happened. What happened? Lorenzo, what happened here? Did he hit this rock?
Yeah.
Is that what he hit? He hit this rock here?
Yeah.
He hit the rock. So how are we gonna, I think we're gonna have to hook him up like this, Lorenzo.
Me too.
You just flipped over too? Oh my gosh. Now we got double the problems. We got double the issues. Okay, let's see. We'll back this truck up here. We'll see if we can hook him here. Hook him here. Okay, ready? Pulling it. Okay, we got Jackson Storm's truck up. Now we gotta back up and get this one. Beep, 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 beep. Whoa, okay. But it looks like there's still a problem in the truck. Everybody flipped over on their side. We gotta check them out, make sure they're okay.
I have a rock.
You got the rock? Where are you gonna put the rock? Are you gonna get it out of the road so nobody else crashes?
Da. Rock da.
Okay, we'll put the rock there so nobody else crashes. All right, it looks like Sarge is okay. Mater, are you okay? I'll be all right. I think we can load everybody back up now that we fixed this issue. See, we got the cop car. The cop cars are blocking the road so nobody else comes. Mm-hmm. Yep. So Mater's gonna say, hey man, I think I'll be safer over here. So I'm gonna ride in this truck.
I'm a too.
Yep. And Sarge is gonna go in this truck.
Me
We
too.
could probably put them sideways. What do you think? Yeah, we might be able to fit more if we put them sideways. Yep, look, see? And then look, I think we could still fit RV in there. Yeah, look. Close it up. All right, so this truck has got nobody in it, and it's going back. All right. Everybody, good work. What we'll actually do is we'll put the rock in here.
A baby.
We'll put the rock in here so that way everybody is safe going forward.
Oh, rock?
Yeah, that's a rock. I'm gonna put these on this one.
Me too.
I'm gonna slide them in. Who else is in here?
Me too.
Okay, so we got Tow Mater, we got RV, Jackson Storm, Sarge,
What?
and we could probably fit this guy too. Yep.
What too?
And let's close this. Oop. Uh-oh.
What?
There we go. We got all of them in there. Can you fit that guy in here?
Yeah. No?
There, yep, he went. He fit.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we could do is we could take these cars and we could put them down the ramp. You ready? Let's see what happens to these trailers when they go down. Do you think all the guys that are in them will fall out? Okay, which one do you want to do first? The purple or the black one? Purple, then black. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! All of the baby cars fell out and the trailer detached. Whoa! What do you think will happen to the black one? Do you think the same thing? Let's see. 3, 2. Oh, you got your legs open? Okay, you think it'll go through? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! None of the cars came out of this one, Lorenzo. And I think they're all gonna be okay. Are they all? Oh, look. Look at this. They're all, oh, nope, Sarge is up. Sarge is up. But all of the other ones are A-okay. They didn't even move.
No.
No?
Rock two.
Yeah, you can put the rock in there. Why not? Let's put this up. Mm-hmm. Put these guys in there too.
Yeah.
All right, and we'll put RV in there too.
I know.
Oh, Jackson Storm fell out.
No.
Lorenzo's making his way up. Nice, good job. Lorenzo looks like he's ready. All right, who's going first? The red one, the black one, or the purple one? Mac, you said Mac is going first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see Mac go first.
Beep. Beep.
Whoa! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We might have to get a tow truck for that. Who's next?
Purple.
Purple. Whoa! Whoa, look at that. They're still in there, but he hit that one. All right, let's see Jackson Storm. Jackson Storm's truck got some cars in there. Here he goes, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, Jackson Storm's truck flipped over. Uh-oh, big accident, big accident. Oh gosh. Oh man, look at this. Jackson Storm. Are you okay, Jackson Storm?
I'm not too.
Yep, now we got that. Okay, let's hook this up. Let's try to flip this truck over. Beep, beep. Okay, we got Jackson Storm's truck reconnected. Oh, nice, get that one. Nice, nice. Let's check on these guys in there. Mac too, Mac flipped over. Where's the truck to this, Lorenzo?
There.
Oh, there's the truck. Nice, good job. Look at these guys that were inside.
Yeah.
They got flipped over. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, those guys were over there. All right, I'm gonna flip this guy over. Beep, 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 beep.
Rock down.
You gonna put the rock there?
Yeah.
So nobody else hits that, nice. Oh, this guy went over here. The last guy that needs help. Flip him over. Nice, thank you, Mater. Thank you, Mater, so much.
Up here.
Oh, Mater flipped?
Yes.
Okay, Mater helping Mater. Thank you, Mater. You're the best, man.
Bye.
Bye.